family, welcome once again to my channel. Sack Skincare is the name. If you are by, please don't forget to subscribe. Also turn your notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your own DIY stretch mask scrub. This scrub is very good and it can cure your stretch marks at the same time getting rid of your strawberry leg. So please, let's get back to my workstation. I love you. Welcome to the workstation. We are starting our work by using our sanitized bowl and spoon and our measuring cup. We are using 62 ml or 1/4 cup of our measuring cup. And I will also be needing my cinnamon powder. Cinnamon powder has antibacterial properties in it, so I will be using my cinnamon powder. And also I will be using my coffee. Coffee is very good because it's a source of vitamin B3, so it's very good for the skin. And I will also be needing my brown sugar. You can use white sugar. Brown sugar serves as natural exfoliant, so it will help us to exfoliate the skin very well. And I will also be needing my coconut oil. Coconut oil has anti-inflammatory in it, so it will help to heal the scars in our skin very well. So I'm using my coconut oil too. So guys, these are the ingredients that we are going to use. We are going to use only 4 ingredients and it is effective and active too. So you can get some at the market or in the market. It is very nice. So guys, let's start make our scrub. This one is coffee scrub. I'll measure my coffee first. I'll be measuring my 1/4 cup of my coffee. So I'll measure 1/4 cup of my coffee and I'll pour it into my bowl. Then I'll measure the same quantity of my coffee. That's 1/4 cup of my sugar. And I will add it to my coffee. This is my 1/4 cup of my sugar. I will have added it into my coffee and I will mix it. I will mix these 2 ingredients together. I will mix it for it to be combined. Then I will measure my cinnamon, which is 1 tablespoon of my cinnamon powder. Then I will add it to the mixture. Then I will mix it again. I will mix these 3 ingredients again. Then I will measure my coconut oil. I have measured my 1/4 cup of my coconut oil. Then I will pour it in a little by little into my mixture and I will stir it again. I will be adding it whilst I'm stirring my ingredients together. I'll be adding it a little by little. Then I will add the rest of the oil to it and mix again. So I'm going to mix it again. I'm mixing it for 10 minutes. Then I will stop. Mix it for 10 minutes. Then you stop. What you do is you take your bath first. You use warm water to take your bath. Then you use this scrub to massage where you have the strawberry and the stretch marks. You use it to scrub there or massage there for 5 minutes. Then you wait for 15 minutes and you use normal water to wash it off. At that instant, your skin will be glowing. So you use it in your washroom. You take your bath first using warm water. Then after that, then you use this scrub to massage there for 5 minutes. Then you wash it off using a normal water. You take a clean sanitized container and a tight one. Then you put the rest inside. Guys, thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel and also turn your notification bell. Please guys, like, share and comment. I love you. God bless you.